I just want to show what punching down a tank of red looks like. This is our Carignan tank. I've actually just punched most of it down already, but effectively the cap sits on top of gradually gets pushed out of the wine by the fermenting CO2 bubbles and lift that maybe as much as 6 inches out of the top. And punching down involves trying to push down the cap back into the wine. You can hear the bubbles that are coming out from underneath. It's probably 3 feet, 2.5 feet of, I can just about get my hand here, right just below it. I can feel almost liquid wine and no more skins where my fingers are. But that's that deep into the wine. And so I'm just trying to push everything down below so that the cap is wetted properly. We don't have any dry skin at the top attracting fruit flies and getting volatile. And also so that the wine has as much chance as possible to extract colour from the skins during the fermentation. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Right, it's a black colour, it's very hard to see from the camera. Let's try and turn it. Yeah, really nice deep colour. It's probably over halfway through, maybe even 3/4 of the way through the fermentation. A few pips in there. Really intense, lovely acidity, and some quite noticeable tannins already starting to extract it into the wine. So we have to consider how long we macerate it for after the fermentation is finished. It's already got quite a lot of the tannin that it needs. I'm really happy with this tank of Carignan. It's looking great.